this is Luke Anstetter here with Karl Pre-Owned, and I'm very excited to announce a new kind of program, campaign, just a fun idea that we've had that we're going to start doing weekly here in the community. And we're referring it to as the Karl Cares Random Acts of Kindness. So what we're going to do is every week we're going to go out, and it could be something small, could be something a little bit bigger. We're just going to go out and do something really nice and cool for people. Our goal is just to try to make people's day a little bit better. Today is our first kind of random act of kindness that we're going to do. With gas prices as high as they are on the 4th of July, we're going to go up to Casey's and we are going to randomly pick the first red car, the first white car, and the first blue car that come in, and we're going to fill their tanks for them. All right, so we got a blue one that showed up here. All right, we're doing red, or the first red car, the first white car, and the first blue car.
Oh my gosh,
the blue car is going to be the hardest one to get. And of course, the blue one goes in first.
Let's see how much we get to put in this baby.
6877, pump number 1 for our blue car. Have a good day.
Thank you.
The first red, white, and blue vehicle we're going to fill up. We're going to take gas. Yep.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, with the white one.
Not on us today.
Hopefully you ran it down to the...
It's only a half a tank.
Oh,
keep driving.
You know what? Better than nothing.
This lady, that is some service right there.
Thank you very, very
You're
much.
very
I
welcome.
appreciate it.
The first red one we've had, we've been here an hour. Blue is the first color.
Awesome.
All right.
Well, thank you.
You bet. Have a good day.
Pizza on Casey's.
We've got her finished up. We've got the red car, the white car, the blue car. Our first random act of kindness is done. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing more stuff like this, and then every week for the next foreseeable future, different things. So we're excited about it. Should be a good time, and hopefully